Hi everyone, I am Alchemistic. Welcome to my channel. You're probably wondering why sometimes I show up on camera and other times it's just my voice with captions. This is one of those cozy off-camera days, and if you're neurodivergent like me, I'm ASD1 with a strong side of ADHD. You already know why. Some days I'm in full main character mode, ready to be seen and felt. In other days, it's please don't perceive me, but also validate my entire existence from a safe distance. And both versions of me are valid. If you're here, I'm guessing you've tried to manifest the way everyone tells you to. Stay consistent. Monitor your thoughts, visualize every day, keep calm, think positive, and it just didn't work. You might have even wondered if your brain is too loud, too messy, or just too much for this whole manifestation thing. I'm here to tell you, you're not too much. You're built different, and that's not a disadvantage. It's your superpower. Before I get into the video, if you would like to work with me personally, links to my services is in the description. So let's be real here. Most manifestation advice was written for neurotypical minds. Minds that work like a laptop with one browser open and maybe 2 tabs at most. Our minds? We've got 37 tabs open, 4 playlists running, 2 conspiracy theory documentaries auto-playing, and 1 random emotional meltdown queued up that we didn't even click on. And we call this Tuesday. Where others think neat, straight lines, we think in spirals, webs, and quantum jumps. And while people out here are trying to stay calm and control their thoughts, we're already tuned into every possible version of reality at once. That's not dysfunction, that's depth. And it's time we stop fighting it and start using it to our advantage. Let me break down why your quote-unquote too much is actually your magic when it comes to manifestation. When something clicks for us, we don't think about it. We become consumed by it. That's not a problem. That's the fastest way to build momentum in your reality. While others are dabbling, you're living full sensory, full experience, full identified. And that's power. We don't just feel things, we feel them. And guess what fuels manifestation faster than anything? Emotion. That means you have the energetic charge most people are desperately trying to create through techniques. You're already built for it. While others are stuck seeing surface level problems, you're already 12 layers deep, analyzing connections, spotting patterns, and intuitively feeling what's really going on. That's a gift. It means you can shift faster and see opportunities others completely miss. People will tell you, take it step by step. But your mind doesn't work like that. You naturally jump timelines because your brain refuses to believe in linear limitations. You're already wired for quantum leaps. That's why you don't need to spend months affirming something. You can decide it's done and feel it immediately. So if you've been stuck in the cycle of trying to manifest like them, calm, focused, linear, perfectly consistent, I'm giving you permission right now to drop that nonsense. You don't need to become someone else. You need to become fully, unapologetically you. The version of you that knows how to turn chaos into creation, how to feel life deeply, and how to move through dimensions of reality just by deciding you're already there. You're not behind. You're not broken. You're built different and built better for this exact kind of reality shifting. This is just the beginning of this series. I'm going to be diving deeper into how we actually use this to manifest love, money, glow ups, all of it. If this hit home, comment built different, built better, so I know you're with me. And don't forget to follow along, because we're about to dismantle every manifestation rule that was never meant for beautifully wired minds like ours. And as always, no matter when you're watching my videos, day or night, I already know you're about to have the best day or night of your life. And I already know that's the case for you. Take care.